Good morning, everyone. It's Kika, your lifestyle blogger, and I am at home and I'm waiting for my sisters. They're coming over. They're going to help me and my son close the cabin for the season. So we have a few things that we need to finish up as far as putting on the French doors, adding the plexiglass to the screen room, and repairing a few of the screens. And then we have some work on the actual land that we need to finish up, putting up the privacy fence, putting in the mailbox, and kind of finishing up my little detailed work that I have on the outside of the cabin. But today is the day that we are going to complete those projects and close the cabin down for the season, because it is cold outside and winter is coming. So hopefully next winter we will be able to use the cabin, but I'm going to close it up this season, and in the spring we'll start working on a few things. I need to add an outhouse to the cabin because we do need to unplug the water during the winter months, so having an outhouse would be really nice to be able to use it in the winter, so next year we can ice fish and do all of that fun stuff. But for now we will close it, and then I will put my concentration here on my forever home that I purchased, and in the spring we'll be back to working on the cabin. So I am here with my grandkids, and we are just patiently waiting for his dad and mom to get back and for my sisters to get over here so that we can head out and go up north and do the finishing touches. So keep watching, more video footage coming up. Hello everybody, it's Kika, your lifestyle blogger. Excuse my look here today. It is a cold day here in Minnesota, but we finally finished the cabin. And I didn't give you any video footage from the day that we were working on it. It was a very frustrating day. However, I am back up here now because I wanted to hang curtains and things to the screen room. So I'm going to show you what things look like and then what I'm going to be doing in the spring. So behind me is the actual French doors that I did a video about, but I painted. I got these. When I got these were kind of like a brown look. Then I painted them black. And then the screen room is all complete. I don't want to open the doors yet because we got everything sealed up and ready for the winter. So I'm just going to kind of peek you through. My table's out there. The chandelier's hanging. I just hung up curtains today in that room. And then the little bolt shelf is over in the corner, if you can see it. And then the only thing left, we did concrete out there. I have to put an area rug. And then I'm going to probably put a small TV in the corner, just so if, when people want to come and play cards and things and sit out there, they'll be able to watch TV. So this is the actual screen breakfast room that I've been wanting and talking about. And then I think I'm going to paint this black as well. And then for now, my son just put this plastic here, but I think we're going to put glass here so it'll be see-through, so it'll have more sunlight into the screen room and kind of all of that stuff. And so anyway, still got to finish the floors here. A lot of little things we have to do. We did move the living room around because I wanted it to face the outside. We have a queen-size bed in here, so when it comes out, it'll face that way. And then I have some other things that I'm getting from friends to kind of complete this space. I do want to put some curtains in this room, and then there's some other things that we're going to put in here to make it really cozy. So I might be picking a couple things up and dropping it off here in the next week or so, but we'll probably not be doing much here at the cabin anymore until the springtime. But I'm on the deck, so this is where that fireplace went. It's all covered up now. For the winter we'll have candles in there, and then my rocking chairs, and then hopefully the deck is also concreted. Hopefully we can glaze over it in the spring and get it nice. And then I didn't get the chance to finish painting before we finish the railings, but the railings and everything and the steps are in. Everything just needs to be painted black and kind of be finished off. But the screen room is here, so thank goodness that's done. So keep watching, more video footage coming up.